Ladies and gentlemen, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Here live, as you can see, is Medina almunawara. This place is near the Masjid al-Haram, Masjid al-Nabawiyya, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, our prophet, beloved prophet. This is the hustle and bustle of Medina. As you can see, a lot of Hujjaj, not actually Hujjaj, they are people who came to do Umrah, to do the Umrah. As you can see, there's a lot of cars parked in the distance, and you can see people, mingling around it. It is a peaceful place, absolutely one of the most peaceful towns ever exist on this universe. Let me zoom a little bit in the distance. That is Medina itself, and you can see this little highway, cars going. I think it's shaded, so you might not even see quite nicely. And Medina, as you can see in the distance, behind those buildings is Uhud, and behind there is where I live. And the Masjid al-Nabawi is a kilometer down in my right hand side, where inshallah, hopefully this afternoon, I will offer my Maghrib prayers. This is one of the beauty, it is the serenity, the tranquility, the peace in Medina that attracts everybody. The honesty and the truthfulness of the people in Medina is what also attracts most visitors to this place. It is quite something and a rewarding experience for anyone to come to visit the holy places and shrines. As you can see, Medina is not also immune from hustle and bustle of everyday urbanization. As you can see, the distance, these hotels and boulevards catering for the visitors. Here in this distance, it is a hotel and some shops on the right hand side. In the distance, new hotel is springing up. On the distance, there's another hotel up there. There's a lot of hustle and bustle, people going about and mingling and going about their daily affairs. Because after all, after you offer your spiritual prayers, one has to seek worldly goods, because one has to offer services to this world and hereafter. Although we humans were created not only to gratify Allah, but at times we have to sometimes find way of surviving. In the distance you can see traffic cop. That is Saudi traffic cop. They are called al-Maruf. He's on a phone, on a cell phone. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen. Al-Maruf is on. Yes, salam alaikum. لا مش. He says لا تصور. He says لا تصور. Don't take my photo. So as you can see, there's a lot of people out there, a lot of people mingling around. There's a small hawking business going on as well. As you can see in the distance, people selling books, people. The cop wanted to take his photos, and he says, "La tusawwir, yeah, don't take my photo." I think it's it's reasonable, legitimately reasonable. Here we come to the market, and these guys, they sell fruits and vegetables. Welcome to the fruits. Salam alaikum ya habibi. كم موز؟ كم كيلو؟ لا مش صورة حقك. هذا فقط. لا مشكلة. سلام عليكم. حياك الله. And then someone is selling the مصحف فيها. خلاص. سلام عليكم.